serious global environmental problem is the depletion of ozone layer. Depletion of ozone layer. Our atmosphere shows 5 distinct regions. 5 distinct regions. From near the earth to outside, these regions are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere, and exosphere. Troposphere extends up to about 18 kilometers from Earth. About 8 kilometers near the polar regions and about 18 kilometers around the equator. It is in the troposphere that we have all the atmospheric gases. Stratosphere extends from about 18 kilometers from the earth to about 15 kilometers. And above that you have mesosphere, then ionosphere, and the outer space, exosphere. It is the stratosphere that contains a thick layer of ozone. This layer of ozone is important because it prevents the entry of ultraviolet radiation, especially ultraviolet B rays into the earth. Ozone is triatomic form of oxygen. So it is represented as O3. So in the mesosphere, ozone is formed by oxygen in a natural process. Therefore, it is a protective layer which prevents the entry of harmful ultraviolet radiation, especially ultraviolet B radiation, into the earth. But what is happening now is that This ozone layer is depleting. The thickness is reducing. In other words, it is becoming thin. It is becoming thin. And this is particularly more in the polar regions. Pictures taken from satellites. Pictures taken by satellites launched by NASA have shown serious thinning of ozone layer in the polar regions, and such thinnings have been described as ozone holes. Due to this thinning of the ozone layer, ultraviolet B radiation has started reaching the earth. Causing serious effects. What are these effects? Let us see now.